Good morning. We're here at Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here in St. Mary's, wonderful town, doing a job for a wonderful client. We get the privilege of installing a brand new flat roof. So this is the owner did an addition to his home, and he has renters here in the flat roof portion. So we're going to give him a new roof. It's leaking all over the place. We removed the stone yesterday. We prepped the roof, removed the stone. It's ready and dry. Now we're going to do a layover roof. We're going to put a new substrate on and go on top and show you what it looks like. Thank you. Come up on the roof. So we have finished installing the new substrate. So go ahead and take a look. We have a couple interesting details here. We have an internal scupper / downspout. So the way this roof was designed, there was a downspout here. We got to kind of work with that. We don't want to frame this in. Secondly, we secured all the substrate down. We've dried it. We've moved all the stone. We also have a pretty old historic wall here we're dealing with, so we don't want to tack on or anything into this. Maybe this is old flagstone or whatnot. It's pretty old. I'd say over 100 years old or so. So we're going to bring our membrane up the metal flashing and tie in there. Pretty straightforward. We have a door leading out to this roof, so the client will more than likely build a deck when we're done. So we're going to make sure this turns out well. We're going to start priming the substrate and putting down the base sheet. Show you what it looks like. Thanks. We're well 3/4 into the job. We finished installing some membrane. So the cap sheet's been installed. You can see in the back we've now put a proper roof drain in. So now the owner can do all the underside plumbing he needs to do from the underside, but he's got a proper roof drain. It's also going to have a leaf guard so it can't get clogged. So now you can tell the difference between our base sheet and cap sheet. The first base sheet gets applied. We also heat weld the base sheet, so you really in essence get two roofs installed. Heat weld our base sheet, we adhere the cap sheet, and we're also going to heat weld the cap sheet. We got some wall details here. So because it's such an old home and could be historic, there wasn't too much we can do with the wall changes, so we left the old metal on. Bringing the membrane up, we're also going to put a piece of cap membrane on and then close it up with a piece of aluminum flashing. There you go, it's coming along. We'll show you what it looks like when we're all done. Thank you. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal, we finished the job, turned out beautiful. Great client, great guy to work with. We finished the job, turned out beautiful. Go ahead and take a look. We took an old 4-ply pea stone roof and made it a new 2-ply. We got some wall details on the outside. We gave him a proper drain. This was kind of Mickey Moused in a bit. We were able to do it properly. So we gave him a proper drain. And then we actually did some fascia detail for him too, so that worked out beautiful. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal, if you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.